Hi guys. Hello sweetie. Hello sweetie. Hello guys. And guess what we got here? Uh-oh. Are you guys ready to go home? Kangaroo Rex. Hello guys. Oops. Hello guys. You are all wet and dirty. All wet and dirty. They're jumping around, Sammie. Are you guys ready? Ah. Are you ready guys to go home? Okay, hang on. Ready guys? Ah, Santa. Sort of. Whoops. Come. Sammie. Hey, hang on. Stanna. Stanna. You tangle me in. Hi, Baloo. Hello, Baloo. Hello, Baloo. Sammie, 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 Sammie. Easy. Sammie, stanna. Out in the snow, guys. Ooh. Okay. Wanna go for a pee? Come. Let's go for a pee. Hello. Next time. Oh, Nikki-san. Good boy, Sammie. Want a pee, Sam, Rex? Nikki-san. Still going. Okay. Come on. Come. Nikki-san. Have you guys been good? Good boys at dog daycare? Have you been good boys? Are you hungry? Let's go home and have some food. We'll start the fireplace. Nice and cozy. And then you can go out and play in the snow perhaps. Thanks. There we go guys. Good boys. Yeah, good boys. Oh, such a good boys. Alright. Want to say something, Rex? No? Sammie? No? Everyone, thanks for watching. Have a happy weekend, guys. See you later. Bye.